Unlocking the basics. Set up the framework. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across in your English learning journey. Set up the framework. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about grasping a concept that can apply to a variety of situations, from business to technology, and even in everyday conversations. Let's explore what it means to set up the framework, and how you can use this phrase effectively in English. To truly understand, set up the framework, it's essential to break down the phrase into its components. Set up is a phrasal verb that means to establish, arrange, or put something in place. A framework, on the other hand, refers to a basic structure underlying a system, concept, or text. Together, set up the framework implies the act of establishing a basic structure or system that will guide further development, action, or understanding. Set up the framework can be applied in various contexts, each illustrating its versatility and importance. In business, imagine a startup company working on its business plan. Here, setting up the framework involves laying out the company's objectives, strategies, and processes that will guide its operations and decision-making. In technology, developers creating a new software application need to set up the framework first, which means establishing the programming structure, libraries, and standards that will underpin the entire project. In education, a teacher planning a new curriculum might start by setting up the framework. This involves outlining the courses, learning outcomes, and assessment methods that form the basis of the educational program. Understanding and using the phrase, set up the framework, is about more than just language proficiency. It's about recognizing the importance of foundations in any project or endeavor. By establishing a clear, well-thought-out framework, you ensure that future actions are guided by a solid structure, leading to more coherent, efficient, and successful outcomes. That's a wrap on Set Up the Framework. We hope this explanation sheds light on its meaning and shows you how this phrase can be a powerful tool in both language and in practice. Whether you're planning a project, developing a new skill, or simply trying to organize your thoughts, remember the importance of setting up a strong framework. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. See you in the next one!